Welcome to a glimpse into the future of fashion. In this video, we'll explore what women might be wearing in the year 2050 through the lens of AI-generated from smart fabrics and sustainable designs to cyberpunk looks and space-inspired. Get ready for a journey into what fashion could look like just 25 years from. In the future, everyday clothing won't just be about comfort or looks, it'll be imagine fabrics that respond to your body temperature, mood, or environment, adjusting in real time to keep you comfortable and confident. This is daily wear designed to think and feel with you. Casual fashion will evolve too. Streetwear will be made from ultralight, stretchable, and self-cleaning materials. Built-in biometric sensors could monitor your health or activity, all while maintaining a minimal, fashion-forward appearance. It's designed for movement, technology, and city life. Now imagine a cyberpunk-inspired world, where lead fabrics light up with your playlist and clothes react to your social feed. In 2050, bold will be the new basic, blending rebellion and tech to make street fashion louder, brighter, and more expressive than ever. Functional fashion will take center stage with high-tech utility wear. Your jacket might charge your phone through built-in solar panels, or your pants might regulate temperature as you move through different environments. This kind of clothing becomes an extension of your personal tech ecosystem, practical and stylish at the same time. Workwear will go smart as well. Professional outfits may include built-in AR displays, holographic projectors, or audio communication systems. Wrinkle-proof, self-cleaning, and climate-adjusting fabrics will allow professionals to move between virtual and real-world meetings with ease and style. Evening fashion, on the other hand, will become futuristic art. Picture color-shifting gowns that respond to light or sound, and sculptural pieces that seem to float or glow. These dresses will perform with you, turning every evening look into an immersive, high-tech statement of elegance. Sustainability will be at the core of future fashion. Clothes will be made from algae-based textiles, mushroom leather, or lab-grown materials. Designers will use 3D printing and zero-waste cutting techniques, reducing the environmental impact while elevating creativity. Fashion will finally align with the health of the planet. As space exploration grows, fashion will follow. Outfits will be engineered for suborbital travel, featuring anti-radiation layers, thermal fabrics, and magnetic footwear for mobility in low gravity. These designs will blend astronaut-level function with their thready beauty. Cultural influence will remain strong, but reimagined. Traditional designs and patterns from across the world will fuse with futuristic silhouettes and smart materials, creating globally inspired, AI-enhanced garments. It's a fashion future that celebrates identity while embracing innovation. Finally, accessories will become multifunctional power tools. Think earrings that adapt to your mood, handbags that wirelessly charge your phone, or sunglasses with built-in digital displays. In 2050, your accessories won't just complement your look, they'll enhance your life. Fashion in 2050 will be a beautiful blend of innovation, sustainability, and identity. But what do you think the future of fashion will look like? Drop your predictions in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey into AI fashion, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.